Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? In today's video, we're going to look on a website for HTML help, and we're going to learn what a tag is and what the HTML structure is. Let's just open our browser and let's search for W3Schools. And let's press enter. So you'll get this saying www.w3schools.com. Let's open it. So in this website, we can get help for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and loads more languages. So I just thought it would be helpful for you if you knew this website, so you could get some help from this website. So yeah, let's get into the tag section of this video. So to know tags, let's open our IDE. Okay, so let's just create a folder in our desktop. Okay, let's name it HTML. So we're going to write all our code, HTML code, in this folder. Okay, so let's see how to open this folder in our IDE. Let's click on files over here. Click on open folder. I stored in desktop. I'm going to click on desktop and I'm going to click on HTML. That's my folder. So I'm going to come down here and press select folder. It's going to open up a new window. So in this, we're going to store all of our data, HTML data, whatever we're going to write. So let's just create another folder inside our HTML. To do that, let's get out of here, Autumn again. And let's go to double click on HTML, right click on it, click on folder. Let's name it tags. Okay, let's get back to our Autumn. In tags, let's click on tags and say click on files over here and select on new file. Let's press Ctrl S and let's name it. Let's click on our our folders where we need to go. This PC, desktop, HTML, and in HTML let's click on tags and let's name it tags, TAGS, and remember .html. Okay, let's save it. I'm just going to close all of these tabs because we don't need them. Let's save this. Okay, so let's see what tags are. So this is HTML tag. So whenever you start any sort of HTML coding, you have to have all of your code inside this. So you might not be understanding me, so let me just show you. Okay, I forgot to tell you this. A tag has a starting point and an ending point. For an ending point of a tag, for a starting point, you just write the tag name inside this. And to end the tag, you put this, and you have to remember to put this to end the tag and put the tag name inside this again. So tags, you can't make them up. They are inside the HTML library. So HTML is a tag and you need it to build any sort of web page. Okay? That is a tag, okay? I'll show you more examples of tags. So this H1 is a tag. H1 is heading 1. It means that you can print anything in any, like you can print what I mean by print. If I write hi inside it, okay, and let's open the file. Oh, where is it? Inside HTML, right? So yeah, let's open it. Double click on it. It's gonna open in our browser. See, it says hi. The more tags, I'll show you all of them. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. H2 is a tag. H3 is a tag. When you start increasing the numbers, the size of the text starts to decrease in the browser. So you can use any sort of size you want. H1 is the biggest size. H2 is the next biggest size. Then it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So it goes till H6, okay? It does not go smaller than H6. H6 is the smallest you can get. I'll just show you for an example. I'll put H6. I'm just going to name the H6 again so you can see what the sizes are inside it. So this is H1. This is H2. I'm just putting them so you can know that this is H2 and this is this much small and that's that much small. H3, that is H4, H5, H6. Okay, let's try to put H6 and let's see what it shows in our browser. H7. And H7. Okay, let's try to put H7 in this. H7. Okay, this is all saved. So let's open our browser wherever it is and let's reload it. See, it gets to H6, but after H6, it does not get smaller. See, when you put H7, H8, H9, whatever you put after H6, it will be the same size. It will just select a default size from somewhere, I don't know, and it will just keep the same size. I'll just show you. Let's put H8. H8. Okay, let's reload it. See, as you can see, it says H7 and H8 in the same size without giving any space between our thing. You can see they're the same size. So there's nothing available after H6 in size, and there are loads more of tags. We can see the other tags in upcoming videos. From here, let's see what the structure of HTML is. Okay, so this was just for an example, but when you're actually building a website, You just don't go and just put your code inside it. There's a structure for it. So I'm going to show you the structure. Let's go back to our desktop. Let's open HTML. Okay, let's create another folder over here. Let's name it structure. Okay. Okay. On that, let's create another file. Control. Okay, I forgot to tell you. In Atom IDE, when you double click on the side, it will create a new file. Okay. Let's just press Control S here. And let's click on structure. And let's name it structure. .html. Let's save it. Okay, you can see that there's a file underneath it. Okay, let's just minimize all of them. Okay, in structure, let's see what the structure is. So we're going to learn two other new tags in this. Okay, remember to put HTML in the start. Over here in Atom IDE, it shows you like this. When you click on it, it will show you all. It will bring you all the things you need, like a title, a meta chart, a body, and everything. But we can't always depend on one IDE. So let me just show you. Okay, HTML. I'm not using that button anymore because you need to know what the structure is, because if you're in other IDE, it might not give you that option to click on the button and give you all the structure. So you have to remember the structure every time. So HTML. Let's go and press enter. Inside HTML, we need to have the head. Remember our body, okay? In our body, we have our head and then all of our other body parts. Okay, so first is head. Okay, we don't have any hands or anything. It's just head and body in HTML. HEAD. Okay. Let's end head. D. I'll show you what we write in head afterwards in another video maybe. Body. Okay. Or maybe in this video. Okay. So let's just keep a few spaces so we can easily read the code without anything bothering us. Okay. So in head, you might not be knowing this, I'm just telling you. You put your title, some meta tags, you can link your CSS, you can write your JavaScript maybe, and everything else. In body, you know where we wrote in tags like H1, H2, H5, all of those things. We have to write, I'll just explain in an easier way. See, whatever we are seeing here, it should be written in body. So we don't write it in head. We don't write all the H1, H2 thing in head. We write it in body, okay? Head is just like getting information for your body, okay? Just like how your own body works. Okay, in body, you can just see, you can only write the code that you can see on the browser, okay? In head, you can write all the things I told you, like script, JavaScript, CSS, and all sorts of those things. So this is the end, guys. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, share, like. See you in the next video.